In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Xero, a cloud-based accounting platform that many small and growing businesses choose to manage their finances so you can understand how it works, why people pick it, and whether it's the right fit for your business needs. If you run a small business, freelance professionally, or manage multiple clients and projects, keeping track of income, expenses, cash flow, and taxes can quickly become overwhelming with spreadsheets and sticky notes. Before tools like Xero, many business owners struggle with scattered records, manual reconciliation, and chasing missing information across bank statements and receipts. After switching to Xero, most people find their bookkeeping feels more organized, more automated, and easier to understand in one central place. Right from the start, Xero's dashboard gives you a snapshot of your finances, what's been invoiced, what's overdue, how much money is in the bank, and an overview of recent transactions. This clarity matters because instead of guessing where your business stands, you can make decisions based on real-time financial data. For anyone who has ever felt unsure whether their business is profitable this month, that immediate snapshot can be a big help. Invoicing in Xero is straightforward. You can create professional invoices, customize them with your branding, and send them directly to clients. What makes it particularly useful is how invoicing connects to the rest of your bookkeeping. When a client pays, Xero automatically reconciles the payment with your bank feed, reducing manual work. This automation saves time and reduces mistakes, especially at month-end or during busy periods. Expense tracking is another area where Xero adds value. You can upload receipts, categorize costs, and link them to specific projects or tax categories. Having all expenses in one place helps you stay on top of spending and prepares you for tax time without scrambling to organize scattered receipts. Bank reconciliation in Xero is especially smooth. Transactions from linked accounts are imported automatically and suggested matches appear for you to confirm. This makes the process of checking your accounts faster than doing it manually, and it improves accuracy. Reporting in Xero gives you useful insights like profit and loss summaries, balance sheets, cash flow statements, and tax report. These reports are valuable not just for your own understanding, but also for meetings with accountants or business advisors. Instead of exporting data and building reports manually, Xero generates them for you with a few clicks. As your business grows or becomes more complex, having dependable financial reports helps you plan ahead and avoid surprises. Another strength of Xero is its scalability and integrations. It connects with many third-party apps, payment processors, payroll services, time tracking tools, and e-commerce platforms, which makes it a flexible part of your business stack. If you rely on other services to run your operations, Xero can often plug into them and keep data flowing without manual input. That said, Xero does have trade-offs. Because it's built for comprehensive accounting, it has more features and settings than simple invoicing tools. If you're a solo freelancer who only sends a handful of invoices per month and doesn't need detailed reporting or cash flow analysis, Xero might feel more complicated than necessary. There's a learning curve, particularly around setting up accounts, categories, and bank feeds correctly. Getting everything configured right at the beginning takes time, but once set up, the workflow becomes very smooth.